The Putco Boss headache rack protects the rear window of your truck from shifting cargo by fully framing it in with a sleek chamfered edge 3-axis milled center plate. The Boss rack stands apart from other racks in its lightweight 100% aluminum construction, designed and manufactured in the USA. Utilizing our patent-pending extrusion tube, the Boss rack is equipped to support a diverse collection of accessories, all mounted with a unique dual-channel system, creating adaptive, secure, and reliable connection points. This highly compatible design makes effective use of the existing stake pockets for seamless, no-drill installations. The Boss Headache Rack by Putco is expertly crafted from premium materials designed to meet rigorous quality standards while maintaining compatibility with industry-leading bed covers, as well as Putco Blade LED light bars and tech rails. Putco products are brought to market only after intensive research and development. It's our mission to provide you with innovative and industry-leading automotive accessories.